It's my birthday week, so I got some Crumbl cookies. We got the peanut butter, blueberry pancake, the kitchen sink, and toffee cake. Let's see what they taste like. First, ultimate peanut butter. Very chewy. Peanut buttery. Been waiting on a good peanut butter one. This is that.
Given the fact my cookie looked like a baseball.
Megan had a giant blueberry one. So this is the blueberry pancake. She's not 100. Wasn't what she expected. Let's see.
More blueberry. It tastes more like a sugar cookie to me. Now, if they did a blueberry glaze, then it would be
I thought it was supposed to have a blueberry glaze.
I mean, it's like more than letting it soak on the cookie. Like the strawberry cheesecake one we have.
I just got a whole blueberry.
Yeah, there's tons of blueberries, and that's when.
That's good. I like it.
I like it. It's just really sweet.
Blueberry pancake. Yeah. So this is the kitchen sink. It's got chocolate chips, potato chips, and pretzel pieces in it. I don't know if I'm crazy about that. The potato chips are not crunchy or salty. And they're kind of like soggy potato chips.
Ew.
Yeah, I wouldn't buy that one again. And this is the toffee cake. And it's actually a cake. I think it's soaked in caramel maybe, and it's got toffee bits on top. Woo! That's good because it's like Cool Whip on top.
The Oreo one's cold.
So the toffee cake and the peanut butter are my favorite out of these 4 Crumbl cookies. Peace out.